how to extend a song in Suno AI. In this video, I'll show you how you can extend a song in Suno AI. So you can extend a song in Suno AI using the extend feature from your library. So first, go ahead and locate your song. Go to the Create a Library menu in Suno AI and then find the song that you want to make longer. So for example, you want to make this specific song longer. Click the triple dot icon next to it and then select extend from the menu. So from here, go ahead and click on remix or edit, and then you'll find the extend option. So click on this. Enter the new lyrics or instructions in the lyrics field. So go ahead and enter the lyrics that you want to add into this specific song. Scroll down to add a title for your extension. And then you can also choose a specific point in the song to extend from. So to be able to create the changes, go ahead and click on this create button. So Suno AI will produce an extended version of this song, often labeled part 2. Listen to the new part and decide if you want to keep it. And then once you're satisfied, go ahead and click the triple dot icon next to your favorite extension and then select get whole song. So from here, you'll be able to find the option to get whole song. And then Suno AI will combine the original track and extension into one seamless piece. The finished product will be tagged as full song.